This is my blues, 'cause I'm back down on my own again. This is the blues I'm playing. Yes, it's a fine old thing when the night is cold and lonely.
This is a dollar bill piece.
Was it the money that made me a savage? Popping them perks and I made it a habit. Towing them pictures and serving them addicts. That was exciting to me. I'm so excited to be. Started with nothing, we had to inspire the beat. Niggas, they fly to me. I'm getting to it, feel like the man. I got the plan. I call the shooters, they out with the van. Play with the squad, get pop like a sand. Pop like a perk, I'm going ham. I'm going crazy on niggas, too waving for niggas. Do magic like I look a sand. I'm in the kitchen, compressing the burn. Take out the 9 and I sell it for 30. Then straight to the jeweler, I'm busting the rollie, the light of the city like me GO3. I got the plug, he sending my team. Don't know these niggas know me. Even though niggas, they call me OG. Young nigga, but I put it down. We was on it when it wasn't round. All of a sudden, niggas wanna come around. Stay over there, my J. Do me one favor. Take a few steps back.
I'm back down on my own again.
And look at yourself. Matter of fact, take yourself outside your body and then look at yourself. And see how you playing yourself, nigga.
This is the blues I'm playing.
Congratulations. It's the motherfucking chase.
Yes, it's a fine
feel
old
me?
thing when the
We on
night is
it.
cold and lonely.
Gave you the plug. Try to be real with some niggas and put on my money and show us some love. You did me a favor, I knew you was shy, I knew you would show you was. It's only a matter of time for niggas get lined and live with them slugs. Get found in the pool of your blood. Yeah, nigga. Remember they told me that we'd fail. Remember they said it was CSL. That that to me like Cam Newton. I'm in the field like the NFL. Niggas is sick and I wish them well. I made a wish and a wish them well. I put a brick in a wish them well. Been through some shit and I'm sick of jail. No disease, but I'm sick of cells. Sick of somebody big smell. Busy by the door. How you think I'm supposed to live when only thing I see is war? Yesterday was on the gram, I seen a baby on the floor. They said they hit him with a bomb. And they kidding with his mom. And I'm used to seeing death, cause I'm from Philly where niggas die. With the blacks, killer blacks, and I can't even tell you why. I know niggas stuck in beef and they can't even tell you how. If you strapped, you go to jail, but if you ain't, you gon' die. And yeah, I cried on the news when I had changed that law. And niggas still talk about me, shit got changed for y'all. I've been famous since 18, I ain't really changed at all. Niggas getting in your head, that shit might change your dog. I changed my draws, then put on my clock when I wake up. Crazy part, this shit just made my block really break up. On the motivation I made, niggas get their cake up. Court niggas with their face down and I made them put their face up. I've been trying to shine since Chris and Leaf had them Jacobs. Now it's Rich and Millie when she see me fix her makeup. Flying 12 hours, I be in Ghana when I wake up. Ain't no real niggas believing that line shit they made up. I stand on everything I say, what I'ma stay up. Tryna take my homie out the country cause he cased up. My other brother, life inside the cell, they got him caged up. 18 years in, ain't seen him since, they tryna break us. I'm riding through the trench, 200 shots, they tryna take us. I gotta make it home to Lil Poppy, he got A+. I'm so poppin', they doing propaganda, you better wake up. I'm just how you gonna tell me you love me and change your mind? I'm reading everything, wrote a book about all your lies. I'm peeping everything, see who crooked, that's in the squad. My homie lying to me while he looking me in my eyes and shit. It kinda hurt me, but really wasn't surprised. When the blind lead the blind, can really fuck up your mind. And the times meet the times, you 40 without a dime. And the only thing you want is a 40 and a low 9. So if he kills something, that's the only way he gon' shine. I got a Richie, he get 60 years, we both doing real time. Only difference is I made it rapping, putting in real time. I still be talking pain, shit, my people still dying, still crying. It was crab in the barrel, still climb. Niggas try to pull me down when I got up, still threw a line. Doing too much for these people, getting tough, ain't gonna lie. Like I ain't had the city flying private real time. I had niggas at the Clearport that never been to the airport. Acting like they got an attitude, fuck is you here for? Go back to the hood and bite my back, what you there for? Broke boys hating on the king, why would you care for? I'm here for everybody that was with me when I had a bad storm. Everybody acting like they with me, all this glass on. 5 a.m. in Philly, riding around, I got my mask on. These times y'all pass on. Hating on your brother like, that's a bad joint. I ain't seen my son in nights. That's a bad joint, my homie in another life. That's a bad joint. 5 a.m. in Philly, riding around, I got my mask on. Please hold me closely in these scary times. Don't tell me you love me, then try change your mind. I need someone who understands. I'm just a man.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
Loving the shit out you, fucking the shit out you for 7 days straight, and now I can't live without you. And if we ever broke up, I won't have a kid without you. You forever in my heart. I won't forget about you. I be crushing you on Monday like it's Wednesday. You pressed about that nigga with your friends say. G63 is what your business say. I'm so happy you around me, try to crucify me like how you need it, I don't mind. Need you right here by my side, cause out of sight is out of mind. And out of spite, you hit decline, but I was hype. I hit your line a few more times. When you hit back, I'm gonna respond.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
Yeah. You be throwing that shit back like it's a Thursday. I be treating you like every day your birthday. Them hoes ain't fucking with you on your worst day. I got you on a new level like what first say. When you fuck down, I bet it up. Put on your crown and lift you up. I put a rock out on your finger, so much ice can push you up. Heard they feelings about you, baby. Told them hoes I wish them luck. Talking relationship goals, this could be us. Selling white, we won't sell it no more. Like Trump ain't feeling us. Cops still killing us. Niggas taking shots, can't stop me. They ain't real enough. Cut her off, act like she dead, and it's killing her. New dawn, Hermes seats. I left the ceiling up just to kill him softly. Ooh, get him on me. Try to crucify me like I'm Jesus. The way she crossed me, too bossy and too thorough. To move like a weirdo, on point like an arrow. We started off with zero. Now I'm seeing M's. Diamonds like water and they jumping out the gym. Shooting like Harden if your head was the rim. Cause niggas wanna line me like a ship up in a trim down. Back when I was broke, they was cool with it. Every move I make, I'm in the news with it. Even if I ain't do it, they be like, you did it. My teacher always used to tell me, you gon' lose, nigga. That's why I never went to school, nigga. And why I'm rapping like I got something to prove, nigga. When it was the mansion with the pool in it. Billy with the stab, I get a two with it. Move with it, cause these niggas wanna take my life. No weapon form against me every time I pray at night.
Get the youth, we have a dream. Just go and work, the money soon come in. And no make nobody tell you nothing. Tell them say whatever them no want you come out to nothing. Don't afraid to be yourself. Just live for you and nobody else. Look at France if you love is smoke. Love who you want to love. Live life with no regrets. Bad mind can't stop me now. Me broke every red light that make it was a yo. The youngest and the baddest, me untouchable. And if you don't like me don't like you too. Love and let me live my life. Do whatever they like. I'm my life. I'm my life. Me do what me like. Y'all when sell happiness, do what you please. Y'all when buy me now got the shit. Run all who a judge, run all who a jury. Man we hustle hard, make money for your family. Get the youth to look at work and live happy. The system no expect nothing good from we. Live life cause a bad word if you want it. Bad mind can't stop me now. Me broke every red light that make it was a yo. The youngest and the baddest, me untouchable. And if you don't like me don't like you too. Love me, baby, live my life. Do whatever they me like. I'm my life, me do what me like. Dog, you know see me. Nothing on the ass, so just bad mind and invalid. In a the place where me grow. In this world where we call Jamaica land. You never link you dead in a Babylon. Crab in a barrel, fit tell you how down your sultan. In a place where black man fight against black man. Need something good. Things could have way better. Give me little encouragement. For me make a little change. Help me no greater. Need something good. And I need something better. In a them your time, ya me grudge the rat for the cheddar. God know, it's like cold start sell concrete and cardboard box damn cheap. You know see no better buy again a me. We make it pass all of the drama. When them all club up themselves, we keep it calm. Feel like me can conquer the world now. Me can conquer the convoy. One heap of them is sell out and turn in farmer. Man, they are still when them think who woulda gonna. Feel like me can conquer the world now. What them a go do now, when everything bad?
Never reach me anywhere.
It's too late, we're too late now. For them fight, we nothing can walk. What them a go do now? That time catch up.
Without the fight, we still brilliant.
Boy, conquer the world now. One time gone, it used to drizzle, now it start rain. Them juvenile, I need to start calling by my last name. We never turn out bad at all, big up Shami. And never rape nobody, girl pick me, I get caught up in the fast lane. You know the dog, them just there on who four them can gain. You know the girl, I'm just a fuck, me because me have name. You might not work a back road, but you do the same thing. Every time I drop you off, me know to me come like a painting. We know the style, we know the style, we know the style now. Them trick one time, now go do it another time now. We know the style, we know the style, we know the style now. One time, me did have more friends than this. One time, the world is bigger than this. Stay by myself, nobody. Different girl, different pussy. Can't promise you, so me I get married. Wine pon the dan, climb pon the man. Take a little time because the night I go long. Go so by my slide when it hang. Rock cocky on your pussy, me no care. She a wine pon the song, wine pon the long. Turn back way that at the right position. Girl, you know business and me like on your hand. She give me the pussy anywhere. She transform whenever I dark up. Just listen for her, she start up. Anytime she start talk up, that I make you for tell her so she want her fuck. And it just a me chop it, ever since the glass broke. The day I chop it, she a say all the bars rap. Steady attack it, I make sure no me charge up. The way me deal with the graphic while I'm a back, she crab up. Aye. Nice and easy, now all I'm fun. Whining on your make a ball and bun. Sagittarius, half man and pull. Me say you want another round, she say nah, I'm full. I chop your back, so me chop it and bring it back. Ask the stuff, me can't tell you do your squats. That exact for me fling it, me touch your spot. Me a fuck you till you pop, then we take it back from the time. She a wine pan the dan, climb pan the John. Turn back, we had that at the right position. Go so I'm on slide with the tongue. She give me the pussy anywhere. She a wine pan the long, wine pan the song. Take a little time, because the night I go long. Yeah, you know business, I mean like on your tongue. She give me the pussy anywhere. She make it okay, and then what in every place me. Let me believe you, treat me like you need me. Never the savior, son of the savior.
Check it in. Bumbo clock, now we girl them dolly out. Big start on the block in our dolly house. We a clock to pick it and wrap it out. So me a boy, me not care about your body count. You no see to the girl them dolly down. Father, just bring Molly come. Girl, pan the ground, pan the roof, pan the patio. Oh, you feel born, I'm a bitch, be stopping up. Molly, my life like Champagne, strip club, high price. I'm over busting on your face like pipe. Girl, suck cocky, me love when you in fine eye. Me live a life like city apartment, babe, sketchy skyline. And you know me, I'm poor when I care, me no business. Who you fuck tonight, I'm my night. Bottle, pop, tequila shots. If she slip, she slide, come in at that. Yeah, lime with God's for real, baby, I'm the dream. Just ask your reader, man. Now ask me who she need a fam. If you know I'm a baby, she's a fan. You can't just want fuck down your place, put price by your pussy, girl. Your mother teacher, and I had them. She a bring down every part hurt as a dark cute right now. My eye fire. I had them. She a bring down every part hurt as a dark cute right now. My eye fire. Like champagne, strip club, high price. I'm over busting on your face like pipe. Girl, suck cocky, me love when you in fine eye. Me live a life like city apartment, babe, sketchy skyline. And you know me, I'm poor when I care, me no business. Who you fuck tonight, I'm my night. Bumbo clock, now we girl then dolly out. Big start on the block in our dolly house. We are clock to pick it and wrap it out. So me a boy, me no care about your body count. You no see to the girl then dolly down. Father, just bring Molly come. Girl, pan up young, pan up party. Oh, you born, I'm a
Pon the life. It's your boy, Gallus J. You know it's Friday, Vibes Friday. Each and every Friday, we just there go and vibes with it, alright? We'll play some tune and I go and rock and go in and make sure the ladies have a nice time, right? And like we say, if you like the vibes, subscribe with it each and every Friday. I go and hold a vibe, not you? Who's in the chat, ladies? You present right now?
Busting in your face like pipe, girl, the suck cocky, me love when you in fine eye. Me live a life like city apartment, babe, sketchy skyline. And if you know me, I'm poor.
Like we said, people.
Who you fuck tonight, I'm my night.
Like we said, this is Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. This is your boy, Gallus J, the whole team in the building, and some is, well, me never said the whole team in the building, because some missing in attendance, but the team there, we out here on a Friday, we are going all our vibes. And people, if you don't ask Club Jamaica, may just get the word, it's fully active tonight, so we're outside, right? So Club Jamaica, if you don't want information, please jump in at DM, ladies only. The man them, me don't know. But like we said, Vibes Friday, your boy Gallus J there, we're there all our vibes. A Freestyle Friday, you know, we have a couple of events we are going to make you know about. And some new faces in our places, and in time we can see what going on. But for right now, we're just there going all our vibes, right? Ladies, me so not tear down if someone with that tune and let me see what I go on feed.
JY, turn me up. Miami.
It's your girl, Destiny Davis. You ain't fucking the YCY promotion.
Ladies, let's go!
Just for the cash, buddy. 20s, 50s, 100s, cash. Boy, going that go, y'all bag. Boosting bitches, where y'all at? Stuffing that shit in y'all bag. Just to flip it, pop some tags. Girl, going that go, y'all bag. Spin that shit.
Yeah.
Spin that shit.
The ladies.
Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Nigga, spin that shit. Spin that
Me
shit.
and the girl live on the Friday, watch
Nigga,
it.
spin that shit. I like a gangsta ass nigga making more than 10 figures. I'm a down ass bitch riding with you in the swag. Only fuck with the hitters for his girl here. A tricker calling up a trap phone. Pussy nigga, where you at? Where you at? Show me where you spin a block on your op. Hanging out the drop, screaming fuck the cops. What we doing, nigga? Show me where your hood at.
What I said, lady?
Nigga, where you good at? Scamming ass niggas at. Spending that money fast. 20s, 50s, 100s.
In the chat, I want the girl them on the Friday.
Boosting bitches, where y'all at?
So ladies, you say you ask for the scamming niggas, right? Let me tell you some ladies. Yeah.
Spin that shit. Spin that shit.
What already, ladies?
Nigga, spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Nigga, spin that shit. Why are my bitches getting money like they niggas? Where they at? Spin it up again.
You have the Benz body and a Christmas rack. And your style, your sister copy. Yeah. Pussy fat a cock up and brag. You know your body down a girl and got brag. Crop skin, pretty face, and a fashion. Yeah. Put up on a back as a dog. Pop one twin, no attack cost. 5,000 black and some dark pants. I stand that top on our class. Your vibes up the black when you walk past.
Me and the girl live.
Bricks for me, daddy. Bricks.
You have the Benz body era.
Christmas rack.
I your style, your sister copy. Hey girl, what me want you to sit on the cocky? Hey.
Yeah, I can't spit on the cocky. Slippery, slappy. Rally, me now whisper. Bad bitch, now I miss that. Not that much you call for your sister. What they
are all advice people on Friday, we are making chat load up. We are load up.
If we want 40 and things that Bob don't clean your target now miss shot. Yeah, she got tricks, I got bricks, my ball bars, she bought 6, you see. Oh, she pretty, me get my cock lick. She slurp up on milk for Birkin and gifts. I got bricks, and my practice with hen. No bad bitch can't make my cock stiff. When I set so 6:30 clock for stop tick. From a jump, me had it active and quick. Yeah, my back brick for my dolly. You have the Benz body like Chris Maserati. I hear style your sister copy. Yeah, trending had the topic.
Alright, ladies, I full time again. Now we are starting the vibes to the girls. I'm ready on the Friday. Are you ready?
Slippery, slappy.
Ladies, we're not ready for time, you know. You see how the girls will come out on Friday and left them man a yard. Let me tell them.
You say you want to left your man and take who?
Let me tell
fight
them.
My vibes not like a kung fu. Suck out my balls them like.
Any girl pick them asleep on me yard tonight Friday. Let me tell her.
Me say, me pick it up, me fuck it and me let it off back. She drink come like jelly water. She have a man, you know me never ask that. When you tell him you are gonna me see the brother pass back. She say she guilty. She go and tell him after. She freaky. She go and suck it off back. She whine on the body, yeah, this slim as ass fast. She say she love me. You love it drama, gal deep. Duck. Remember, I know your man cocky you the suck. Now tell me if you ride dog up in your gut. Just whine on the body when I broke. Take the money and cut. Deep. Duck. How that look like your man car so. Now tell me if you ride dog up in your gut. Just whine on the body when I broke. Take the money and cut. You have your man in your yard so your pussy you not for me.
No.
Me not the owner, me pay when you give me. Turn your back way, fuck you out in the baby. Me feed you with rum and ganja from skin. I want me break you down wicked and me break you down silly. Treat you the best if you see me for a minute. When you in the car, wind off you wine up. Why? Me no want nobody see we all deep. Duck. Remember I know your man cocky you the suck. Now tell me if you ride dog up in your gut. Just whine on the body when me broke. Take the money and cut. Deep. Duck. How that look like your man car so. Now tell me if you ride dog up in your gut. Just whine on the body when me broke. Cut. Tandem do you make me tell you when fi come up. Shoppy nice, somebody ya pull up. So I'm a cocky and look up. Your pussy good, me if you carry that up it up. Big body girl, me know your bum bum go down. Me want come to your breast and look full up. Yeah, I'm a cocky, take my pussy in your stomach. Yeah, you got a man, do nothing, you love it too much, bitch. Duck. Remember I know your man cocky, you suck. Now tell me if you ride back up in your butt. Just whine on the body when me broke. Get the money and hot. How that look like your man car so. Now tell me if you ride dog up in your butt. Just whine on the body when my body Your mother never born, your body leaves. That's on your body. Hey, PD.
I girl them shit.
Yeah.
Go for them. Go for them. Mop.
You feel laugh, you feel giggle when the body sweet, yeah. Not even please when my granny breast needs her. Fuck, she come fast, she never go for reason. Your mother never born, your body lead to. You don't get fucked, then no freedom. Your daddy never tell you don't, then no feel up. Back in a free fuck, card, then no beat up.
Down the pan your knee cup. Take my soul and fuck my G2. She had the type to squeeze you.
No matter what, she not gonna leave. Girl, your pussy good, me have to make a sand bam. Bunny bed head away, you get a slam. Mommy that transform, man, I make a chop. I should be telling more lie than a weather man. And 9 months later, she had get a cramp. Pussy in her face, and she rub it like a metasal. Me have a girl a pop pill and a set a man. And me do have one, me have a set a girl. Me have a set a girl. Set a girl, don't know my girl. Shine something more constant. Right from a car, my girl bigger than constant. I set a girl perfect, general. I set a girl, rose in the dirt. Violate within a dirt. You know my damn bill shirt, but she breaking out of curve. Ugly girl, I get curved. Mobster, tell her broke girl go look for
Down the pan your knee cup. Take my soul and fuck me. She had the type to squeeze you. Start sweat like she run, but try to keep up. Slam me head in that bed, girl, give my cocky red body way immaculate. Drive like a
Yeah, them outside and inside. When I saw you at the party and I had to say hi.
Skin bright, I mean, you're tight. I want sun and shine, yeah, the hottest thing we're outside.
You are the cutest, I feel the boss. Love you from the start, no, I broke your heart. Wine bubble bath, cause you're pretty and you're smart. Anyway, you roll up, this how I start when you're
up neat like a Red Sea, I get caught. Stop it and take it anywhere the car park. You are the general, you never fast start. But see what push them, your man, I push a hand cat.
bounce with it, gal. Move with it, gal. Wine on it, gal. Take time on it, gal. You have your thing with tighter than a ceiling fan. When me say you act, me no mean acting. Sit down in a me lap, but I know Santa a Grinch. I'm bubble when me done, me receive everything.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come in with the commas. Or DJ telling the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make it feel weaker. But you know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, 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 make it top, top. You know I love to make it.
Like what I like, what I like, what I. If you get lit in the club tonight, roll up a spliff and me pass the light. And them a talk, say my body right. DJ so heavy, he didn't make a deep vibe, girl crazy. In a waist, girl can't come straight me. Tell your man you ain't call me baby.
Hot lady, Linton. Back shot, that you ask for. Bam bam, tick nyam cassava. One done, ear shot, I pull a Winton. Nasha, Chevy blue jazz, for banana. Taja, hey girl, where you want water? Gaza, yo Jimmy body, yo Sparta. Two bump, with me plantain, and me yard back. Balance, girl, galang, like madance. Oh, you're tired and I just after one. Buddha Tiffy up, mute this time. Winton, he tell you you a big dancer. Come show me you a big dancer. So your spanny booty make it larger. You can't manage, you don't go drink matter. Wow, right? You need to drink me in my eye. Would I tell you something nice? Tell your boy your pretty eyes.
Right, Mr. People's Vibes Channel, we're getting ready to get the show kick off. Drop it through.
Can't tell me, say them gyal you not come from. Off, beer. Off, beer. Pum, for peanuts front beard. So no can't tell me, say them gyal you not come from. Off, beer. Off, beer. Pum, for peanuts, no place. Yes, gyal. Arch up your back, you know, see us. You feel ride it like a jockey when me pop up. And you sit on the stool, post it tighter than a shoes when me big toe buck up in it. Oh God, me shot it from Ross, she want this so she go and bad and I sweat out the makeup. Bumper over this up on her head. I'm on my buff, does a shit on me face so slow down. I dance you girl, give me a dance. Waistline. Come back and we can get you a big dance. Come show me you a big dance. Yes, money booty make it large. You can't manage you a
Bad man she love, 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 yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shots.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Make you come first, coulda never take a last.
Like a ball.
Pop the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brag. Original girl, some of them a dinner carve.
And if you get this on the go on the back, go to the knees, baby.
Shake it to the max.
DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean, tell me no for take me no for talk. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say they no watch a match.
Ladies, let me see a Friday. We are going with the vibe. When they're ready.
Real bad girl, get nasty. I do whatever I want. Yes, I'm the one in charge.
You know the girl name me like.
So she honey, she want me to fuck it out brawling. Skin it out like Ivani. You say you want it, so no bother with too much brawling. Skin it out like Ivani. Me say me skin it out like Ivani.
Skin it out, you know fi pretend shy. You build up my sex drive, so you know fi bed right. Skin it out like IVANY. Fuck up on the bed.
One more to go after this.
Me no fuck fleshlight, but me fuck you make you feel it in every enzyme. Your pussy well tight, your pick you well vile. Your prettiness brighter than any textile. Say she honey, she want me fi fuck it up brawling.
Ladies, we're gonna see on Friday we have vibes man. What is style? What is style? What is style? What is style?
Yes, just boom, to dum dum, boom.
What is style?
Boom, boom, to dum dum, boom, to dum dum, boom, to dum dum, boom, to dum dum. Waffling the pussy pa me. Yes, she just boom, to dum dum, boom, to dum dum, to dum dum, boom, to dum dum, to dum dum, boom, to dum dum. Waffling the pussy pa me. Say if she never have a man to give me fast, I woulda give me one son, or give me one daughter and a charmer. Say she woulda write me drama and a laughter. Say she want a fuck hotter than a sauna. If you rub a dub, anyway you rather in a water, me we catch you. Fuck your bamba and in the water. Baby girl, you have to call your tata. Want to throw you like a farmer with you fucking and a carrier. Boom, dum dum, boom, dum dum, boom, dum dum, boom. Just waffling the pussy for me, yes.
A Friday, people, so they know what time it is on Friday, right?
Yeah, man. Rochester link up. Live vibe.
Like we say a Friday, you don't know what time it is for to hear the song dropping, right? Make we left it this up.
From here to upstairs, the signal is strong. Log on pon the stream, everybody turning long. Big laugh, big chat. Every little song in my ear up the yard of them foreign and hometown get list of the spice.
Every Friday, people, you don't know what's going on. We vibe live every Friday. We're over YouTube right now. Check the link in the bio. Like the vibe, subscribe. Right?
Girl is pon the live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture right. Live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Weekend come, everybody know the code. Screenshot the link, share it down the road. Big up every crew. Eat like mango, vibes overload. He marks walk one and the colors rolling. Story them spicy, pure belly busting. But him still show love, not tear down king. Girl is keep it clean while the rhythm still swing. Girl is on the live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jump down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture right. On the live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Anywhere we there, the link still sure. Yardman accent, kick down every door. Big up the queens and the real hardcore. If you love the vibe, show it one time more. One more. Funny. Live vibe. Turn it up low and make the whole block rise. Rochester to
Yeah, man. Rochester link up. Live vibe is in the place. Girl is on the mic. Yo.
from here to upstairs, the signal strong. Log on pon the stream, everybody turning long. Big laugh, big chat. Every little song in my ear up the yard of them foreign and hometown get list of the spice, yeah. Him full of charm, talk the thing straight, but him keep it warm. From dancehall drama to street kind of psalm. When the show start, it's like cool breeze calm. Girl is pon the live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture right. Live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Weekend come, everybody know the code. Screenshot the link, share it down the road. Big up every crew in a chill mode. Chat sweet like mango, vibes overload. He marks walk one and the colors rolling. Story them spicy, pure belly busting. But him still show love, not tear down king. Girl is keep it clean while the rhythm still swing. Girl is on the live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jump down with the power one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture right. On the live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Anywhere we there, the link still sure. Yardman accent, kick down every door.
Big up the queens and the real hardcore. If you love the vibe, show it one time more. One more. Live vibe. Turn it up low and make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with them on one side. Press play, sit tight. Take the culture right. Live vibe. Really attack, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. Daddy podcast for the whole world like. Yeah man. Live vibe steady, we not cool. Rochester, Jamaica, one rule. Anywhere you're there, just remember this. Host with the fire, them call him Gallus. Pronounce life.
Check. Turn down a little bit. Turn on your talker phone. No. See a place where you plug in. You want to nap this side of it. This is the team man. Watch your hand. Hello. Check. Alright, people, you don't know this boy Girls J with there. We have a little technical difficulties, but we're there to fix it. If you're on the live right now and you're in the chat, they will say just drop emoji if you show us on the present and thing. And then right now, we there go on with a vibe same way. We are start up the show, but bear with me. We could go and build up in our chat to see what go on, yeah? Every Friday we there, let me see when I chat. Let me check the chat, as a matter of fact, because I know niggas be late. Late. Alright. We'll go and fix it so we see what go on. Yeah. Just call him.
Ends and cut it up. Jack still got it up. Wrapped and package up. Yeah, coming from the West Indies, and you know, so we giving them the best indeed. Anywhere we there, we do a flex pan street, and the style what we do no matter red stampede. And I interview no bother question me, and you try never look in my direction. G, new bank crab and no bridges fan beat. Oh, coming from the second
and no vacancy. Last time, see you on FaceTime, chatting up the place, bout in our relationship. Me, I go put you on lockdown. I put your body on lockdown. You got me on lock now. You got my passion on lock. Oh, if you love me, you should let me. You should let me. You should let me know. And if you don't know, better feel let me. Better feel let me. I better you let me go. Pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. Nobody deal with the bagel and talking. Me nothing know we are chilling in an apartment. Hope you don't mind me asking, where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. Mommy, me gonna start, pull up in a fast car, yeah. I know fast start, make you want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me, you know I'm feeling you. So what now we for do, yeah. Say you want travel, we go Hope Valley. Say you hope in your love and not just no tally. Make my heart full of some, I love you totally. Do my own thing, I'm in no trouble, nobody. I'm watching out for the party out. And they didn't hear but them I watch me now. Swing on me no miss like Pacquiao. What you feeling for hot coffee out? What you know, what you know. All you want talk but how much your money. Yeah, anything you want, go figure the money. Yeah, me give you my heart, make you take it from me. Where will we go? Where will we go now? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. Where we go now? Mommy, me gonna start, pull up in a fast car, yeah. I know fast start, make you want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me, baby. You know I'm feeling you, baby. So what now we for do, yeah. Yeah, you feel it.
Love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, yeah. All my ladies now. Come again, yeah. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is aching. Call on me. Anytime you want to. Call on me. Baby girl, I want you. We grew together from way back when she was 9 and I was 10. She used to be my next door neighbor. She even went to school with my sister Makayla. Yeah. Now we're two grown folks. Years gone by and we still keep.
This week, another week. This your boy, Gallus J. You know your name? Anytime I intro myself, so me, anyway.
Beer belly that me say.
Alright. I feel your business that you know protocol, you know, me G. So like we say, we're there, Vibes Friday, your boy, Gallus J. And we get a new face in the building. The dog over here go and ends up, but we tell you, I'm going to say, you see, next week. Wait now. You know, see, you're the biggest face, man. But you know, Yo, them brother, you're difficult, you know. The dog go like you know what going on, and you know what going on. So like me say, the dog they are saying man observe, because next week are the dog show. So the dog not really too so much this episode, the man chime in every now and then. So you want to introduce yourself, my G, you introduce yourself if you want to wait till next week and surprise the people them, but one will have they are dealing. This is one what? Book of fresh in the building. And now I'm going to say fresh designs. Look out feet, right? Alright, for now. So I say people, some new faces in the building, new business, new opportunities. So next week, we have a special episode coming to y'all. Brought to you by this fella right here. But like we say, we will keep it limited information up until. But we're going to have some models and bottles and vibes. That's all I'm going to say. So, yes, sir. No more so like we say people, we reach other part of the segment in our show, but we always say cups up. So this part of the show is sponsored, and our sponsor with this week, Winter Red. Shout out you Winter Red, the baddest rum punch in town. So we're gonna take with toast soon. So open up that Ricky. And while Ricky I do that, you know, shout out to other sponsors. You don't know, One Love Window Cleaning, D&K Catering, All in Podcast Network, the whole Live Vibes family, and who else may I forget? Chuckstar Production. Shout out to that. Yeah man, you have a couple of them good man. Over there. So you know we always say, cups up on the weekend. Are you that are killing him? I mean not toasted. So like we said, we was here last week. We're here again this week, and for that we thank the Almighty. And anybody who achieved anything, any promotions, any level up in their life, we want to celebrate and we don't know birthday or that shit, cups up to now. And special toast to the GYNs. If you are the followers and fans of Live Vibes, one of our GYNs just left for college. One of our GYNs just left for college today, and yeah, we want cups up to him. Marco, me youth, out there with it, is it? So, cups up to you. Like we're not there too long this week still. Oh shit, this still not putting on at all. Yeah, so we're not there too long this week, we're just going with our vibe. So, hey man, them are dealing with the same speed. Where week are going? Ricky, they on Pornhub.
Nigga.
Twitter boy, they pan.
This look like Pornhub.
Twitter man, I look like Twitter.
Are you a big man in a UP, you business and talk on the scene?
Next day, yeah.
So yeah, go on Ricky. How your week? How your week go, bro?
Yeah, we have a good week still. No joke.
You talk about to blow out, talk about, you know, so the dog came here to my house on Tuesday and I ran to fix here.
This one?
But this is not the funny part, you know. This is the funny thing about it. You know why the dog called me? To him can't fit on the car to him belly.
Yeah, I know that.
I got why you called me. To him can't fit on the car. We put the car up on the ramp, you know. And the dog said, wait, let me stuck.
Okay, you're useless.
Dog about mechanic.
The dog tell me something off and tell nobody, you know. Because I tell nobody them I say a lie and the man come and inform on himself. So you know, say, when you underguard on the car tear out, you just call journey. You go right up on that car go fix it. Oh, I may have more than 300 people in my car.
Useless, Rickstar.
Ricky go out there couldn't move a muscle.
Brother, my car go on that car. I'm going to lose this.
I'm tell you beer belly, man.
They Ricky not drink beer.
Allah, yeah, tell
I rum my drink, bro. Hennessy. I don't drink beer.
See, it's a nasty man. So I mess with people. Virtually, we have a couple events where we have push. And one of them is Juverd. Oh, Culture Clash, shit.
Culture Clash tomorrow.
Tomorrow, start this, so you do that.
We have Culture Clash tomorrow, 10 to 2, you see. And
Sky Lounge.
Sky Lounge.
Lexington down.
Yeah, Lexington.
Lexington.
After that, if you reach a Club Jamaica, that is if it's open, or you reach at the Cottage Bar and Grill, when I modest spot them nowadays, is it? Yeah. And some style.
Yeah, and definitely next weekend I don't care no. Weekend after that I care this weekend. Yeah, and they might work on them Juverd thing on the set.
Care Fest are mad, believe
Yeah, this year is a different vibe, so we are look forward to it.
Holy man,
Yeah, man,
yo, we all have bad artists are coming in the city, boy. When you talk about bad artists, you talk about critical.
You come where?
Look me dog, Jamie party, man.
Oh, them book him? See me at we never reach a Hennessy and do say.
Therapist, yeah.
Hennessy and do say. That's birthday party.
Sunday. Family fun day, yeah.
Living. Family fun day.
What's your name come here?
Yeah, Spraga Benz. And the next soca artist there, Carefest.
Alright. So, I can ask, since we're on the topic, what we think? What kind of performance do you think we will get from Spraga Benz, honestly?
Reggae.
May I say that right now?
What kind of songs Spragga been singing? No, man.
Huh?
What kind of songs?
You don't know no Spragga been singing. Sing a Spragga, sing one name tree.
Why you try put me on this spot?
Why me not put no man on no spot? Now you have to teach you to tell lie.
Lie, wait. Lie me tell dog.
Sing one Spragga Ben song and your name tree.
When you lick a touch your brain, dog, you're not going to remember much things.
Is that no?
You remember most of the songs.
The man say, oh, Spragga Benz are going to perform. Where you think him going to sing? You say reggae. What kind of song him sing?
No, me was reggae, me say dancehall.
You say man you like till you know that. But yeah, sir, the point I'm trying to make it.
No, it's not big artist. I know about Spragga Benz, dog. You know them man.
You know about him, but you know of him. See the difference?
Let's say
What I say is, Spragga Benz is a bad artist, very underrated. And in the early part of dancehall, he was one of the foundation dancehall artists, I can say. And also, man transitioned over into one of the biggest underground films in a Shutters. So him have a wave, but as far as a vibes, me don't know. Spragga bad artist. Car Crash, Backlash, you know? Spragga bad artist. He have in tune, but
he dog have a song when nobody knows. He dog kill Cartel. We don't see. When the man Cartel the war. The dog have a song.
You say you're African, we don't see.
No, you are fucker that we don't see. The song there.
Speaking of war.
But that's one
That's a one-time bad tune, but nobody don't really know it. Because we play it, everybody be like,
no, me know that it's true, because when Clash did that go on, you know, Clash did bad, you know. Them, it can't. We're glad we're segueing another segment yesterday.
Yeah, alright. There's a war. Glad to bring up that topic. Recent war go on.
That no war.
This week.
That no war.
What do you mean no war?
Mali Dan them can't go sit down. Nobody bring up that over here. Mali Dan ask you. Look what, let me tell you. Let me show you how that a joke thing. Remember saying them? Vybz Kartel and Mobada just redid one of the baddest Clash in Jamaica. We come out do Beanie Man and Bounty Killer, right? And they redid it.
And then just to see
when was this?
Last weekend. They redid it and did it as a joke. Right? They redo their Clash as a joke. I make money off it and he come tell me about Mali Dan and Skipper. Man, park your bus.
But if you, alright, you see, if you go on YouTube and watch the views, you would see say the Clash not even matter to Skipper bro at the views. The dog drop a song in a 3 days time, and in a 3 days time it licked 2 million views, bro.
So what that have to do with that?
I'm gonna match it up with Mali Dan views, bro, and Mali Dan still in that case.
But my point to me, I should show you. Them one day I run over views and shit. Yes, that's a part of it, bro. But them and them Kartel and Mobada, when them did that work, everything are raw, authentic, realist. And the man, and me not say everybody when them in a Clash, they feel basically live what they must say, because everybody knows the Clash is just music. But them man they live everything in the song where they say no lie was told. So it make the Clash more, the people take it more serious. And people, you know, it's more to it than what I'm going right now. And the man we are trying now, they go start to look at foo war and kill up random people for no reason, you know what I mean? But then the man they did more. It was an organized chaos.
To close off that topic, if you haven't closed it off. If it were up to you, which one of the two artists would you say won the Clash?
Out of who?
Out of Mali Dan and Skipper.
Me not listen to them, dog.
Ricky?
Me not listen to them I don't listen to them in the Clash version because I don't think. Because the thing, you know, when me notice, you know.
Alright, which is the better artist?
Me not listen to none of them hard enough to compare them. But listen, when we say for the music for them I drop now, when we listen to Kartel and Mobada when I drop tune, when we squeeze them boy right that is boy for that. People watching Hurricane Orchestra? People could have danced to them song the same way, you know? You remember Ricky? People could have danced to them song the same way. Yeah dog, I know you play them man dog, you have to just hold your corner now. Like I like the vibes, but I don't know bad vibes. So you have to go back to vibes and then hear man, them dog they drop song. If you watch the video dog, even though we're in a phone era now, when the dog them say we have phone like and Mobada and them go tune for tune dog, it's like too much phone like they say like you could have walked on the phone them. on the light. You see? Versus now, them dog are clash. No. In them dog, in performance, everything going to clash in a dog. And if you are going to clash on radio and on in a studio, you have to go can bring it on stage and deliver what you deliver in a studio. And when the man come on stage, we come on
basically, I say it's just for the club.
Just for the clothes.
Just for the
clothes, because they think, I think, you know, if you are going on one lane, you know, no matter what lane you are going on, you know, you have to know what lane you are going on, and you go in there with intention.
When you talk about real clash, when you talk about Carter,
if you can go back to Beanie, Shabba, Ninja Man, them, Shabba Ranks, all them dog, what you talk about? Super Cat, Papa San and Super Cat and them dog.
When Beanie Man and Blood Pea Bunty they follow, bro, wicked clash that, you know.
I see, man.
No, that clash, I don't really understand much more that. I can't say that.
Them clash are going now unnecessary. That's some stupid clash.
I'll keep it to the, I want to keep it to the clash, man.
Black Rhino
and that's still bad.
I'm Black Rhino Robbie Mode.
And that's still bad at clash.
Keep it lyricist. I'm Black.
Ricky fix it.
Let me fix up.
Oh God Almighty. Alright, people.
Next topic.
Everything the man then catch with me say no, no catch Ricky when Ricky
anyway,
say
alright.
You never said nothing wrong, bro.
You say rub him out.
We not go go
back
this
to
way.
you, I say, yeah, see.
Alright, wherever.
It's hot, you know.
Cause when Ricky talk about robot, you get hot, me no know. I don't.
First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
That subject. So, I don't know if you're not aware in Jamaica how I go on when you know when I did hear about the did you guys hear about the new law that if they catch you a drive with animal without the chairman and without the proper paperwork, them are going to charge you, say a thief the animal.
No.
You hear about that?
No. Hope you're at
Jamaica. So you say for instance you have your hog and your boat them and cow and you got your animal go market to sell them, right? In your vehicle. And in top you don't have paperwork to prove say if your animal them say you buy them from somewhere.
So they have them a fair about birth certificate.
Every blood clot thing is apparently.
So I hand him we are gonna kill. So when they kill it they have to get a death certificate.
I don't know. But I say that it started from
it started really stop it like that.
Fuck around and find out a new law, you know, a new money. What wait now, Ricky? It start from first then did the first thing with the whole land thing after the hurricane. They must say you're gonna need papers to prove say your land. And everybody papers watch when a hurricane. So I don't know how that work out. Then they come with this and now. The people who can go walk around and go, oh, you know, kill the animal and sell it and sell the meat. That's gonna be a problem for them now. And they transfer into now. Another law them are try to put in. You're going to need paperwork to grow fruit trees in your yard. To plant fruit trees in your yard.
Jamaica you're talking about, bro?
Alright, man, tell me to keep up.
No, bro, I joke to you. Say I tell me say all of them fruit tree there in my yard where Sean live now. We have to have paperwork.
Yeah, pay tax on that blood clot.
No, tax paper on my yard.
No, you have to go pay paperwork if you have fruit tree in your yard.
Alright.
Just like see that's why in a foreign that's why they put that nobody know no fruit trees in their yard, bro. You know
them
that?
Alright.
Then they know why you have no kind of self-sufficiency.
Oh yeah go.
Yeah, you have to go clock in, man. You must go. Because smile for blood clot. I'm tell you, say that boy in the rating Ricky I work, him coming there, say my left and even put in no paperwork. Move your dirty blood clot. Go on, man. We are running the show. Go on, man. You're right about that. You're right about that.
Sleep with none of me, but remember when shit reach out, who you come back to?
Don't ball to we! Yeah.
Are we about to, bro?
Yeah. Go ahead, go dirty body, man. But I know body, man, you get some rascal. See them talk too much.
Them run down them thing that too much, bro.
So here I say, people. So I say, in a Jamaica, dog, the law there right now, the people, not a lot of people are aware, like I said, I don't know if it's something they push or something that is already in, but not a lot of people are aware of it, and it's all because of all of the other distractions. But these are the things that we need to pay attention to, especially with family members. I'm not saying not go bother with eventually you will, but you know, people like with family them out the dog, them not go really follow up on them thing if you know so that I go on. And then later on the line, yeah, you say them go walk around and chat down tree and then I go say, oh yeah, chat down me tree, them and walk one. You don't really, you don't follow a lot, you don't really lot, you know that. That's the thing they go reach you dog.
Because Jamaica, there's a lot of people go there, they know that.
Yeah.
Alright?
Because that's how we survive off our free food.
Because you don't know Jamaica system, man. They now have a man have him gun at Jamaica and make a man come in here and come cut him tree.
Hey, but the difference, if a group of police come do it, they make like that.
You have to come with all the police.
Yeah, that's how them do everything. Push their agenda.
See, I tell me say how them fruit tree they were there my yard.
Jamaica that thing, bro.
Brother, as much as you can say Jamaica, bro.
You want people wrap around them tree? You want people stand up around them tree?
That's fine.
Or them and cut it down.
Me nah say, me don't know my country and what the people would say we stand up to justice, but at the same time, the man still a thief up the whole heap of money and nobody not do nothing, so it's all...
Say Andrew there World Cup buddy, I want to get money for that World Cup.
Andrew there World Cup?
That's something. I might tell me this new to me.
It's Andrew in a VIP World Cup
with Trump.
Yeah, when the president that FIFA
FIFA Federation, see there?
Yeah, talk about that. When my boy play for Spain name?
Mess up?
No man.
Shitty?
No, Messi play for
Argentina.
Argentina. The black brother, man. Them ban him from going to Argentina. The one that he scored for Argentina. Yeah, I remember a dog name.
They ban him from the country? When you
I know what you're talking about. They play for Chelsea?
Yeah, I think he played for Chelsea. And not only that, you see when Trump go for shaking hand, the man that shake Trump. He comes up. Yeah, the man that shake Trump hand, bro. When Trump come on the stage and start talk, everybody in that crowd that boy.
Bro, you know what me about the FIFA 2.9? The America, I said don't receipt to the people them, to the country them.
Invoice or receipt?
Same thing, invoice, but for their hospitality and same thing.
Look
Cause if you are host something, how can you ask somebody to pay when you are host? Like you bring somebody a house, Ricky, tell them to go spend the weekend. And then when they left, you are going to say, yo, water bill like this. Like this we spend on food. And that no fuck up, dog.
First of all, if me invite you, everything that on me.
That's my whole thing, dog. So
I foolishness of they send the people them in. Well, we don't know what them agree to, you know.
That's true.
We don't know what them agree
but
to.
from what me know, this is the first I've ever heard of any country hosting any type of sporting event.
Especially Virgin. I wait name, also.
Virgin? What you talking about?
The Olympics. The last Olympics.
Beijing, nigga.
Beijing, yeah. Wait, keep.
China.
The last one.
Beijing, China, yeah. Let me say,
China cover everything, right?
That's what I say. Any country where host anything, they normally just people just come play. They just clean up a place and the place is good and the people them come spend their money. So you imagine if you tell me say the tourists them come here come spend their money, come support them team and sit now here go turn around and tell them say, yo, America wicked your fuck. Me I tell them that.
You gotta be careful man, then come for you.
What? Come for me?
Fuck.
They not come. You know how long they do them fuckery? Yeah, so much can go up, you know.
I love it.
Yeah,
Jamaica land will love.
And pretty soon Jamaica gonna be like Puerto Rico, the way they might do it. They so America soon buy them out. I'm pretty sure say
America already buy out Jamaica.
No, but me soon like another state. They should go say the United States with Jamaica apart.
Majority of
Jamaica gonna be the 55 state. 55. He said the blood clean, but me don't know what I go saying, but we have to go kinda keep
You have to go with a long bridge. You go to Jamaica.
What long bridge ba? Ooh, I'll go drive on that.
No. Yo, you ever drive on the one at Virginia?
Virginia who?
Forgot West Palm Beach one. Yeah, Virginia.
Me na the longest bridge me drive on Washington Bridge, you know. I mean drive on it quick because I stay
the bridge. In Virginia. The bridge long as fuck. And bridge have tunnel too. And the tunnel then go underwater and come back up.
So you see them there and like the Lincoln Tunnel is the only underwater tunnel I've experienced. But because you know see when you go under the water, you know bother me.
Well, me know so we are going under the water
Yeah,
because we depend the water, the road literally depend the water, bro.
Boy,
You look left, you look right.
Water.
I just see you're there in the mid, basically you're there in the middle of the sea, just a drive across, bro. You look left, you look right, and just water. If I throw the video go there too far, I mean I drive. I mean I run trailer man over the road, man. I have to go drive. 2 hours. Brother, I'm gonna tell you. The first time I go up on the bridge, my I said, the fucking bridge is so long.
Can't see it.
They can't see him. And when we reach on part, I now sit down the side of the bridge. I said, no, I'm just a driver, go. And the bridge just a get longer and longer, bro. Yeah, fuck. Go through 2 tunnels, bro. Underwater tunnel, the thing literally go downhill in the tunnel. And then go up back. That's the underwater, bro.
I yesterday somebody had tell me about so they go up on a cruise and storm catch them at sea. Me? Blood clot. Me not that a blow out, so I can't swim enough, so I know in the boat rocking all of them things. For what?
Yeah, Jamaica.
So what that mean?
Can't come from Jamaica and can't swim, bro.
So what mean if Jamaica have a sea animal?
Look how much trip we have done there.
So what that?
What? Sea.
Yeah, but me what?
You should have learned to swim, bro.
Yeah, don't blame me, say me should have learned to swim. If you know, as bad picking it, did listen to the parents and stop go John, me would have opportunity to swim, but because you know I go John and disobey the parents, me never get the opportunity to go learn.
But me can't swim, no time at all.
Bumbo rascal.
No, not so good.
Dog said no time at all.
No time.
We shot my bond river there right now. So every when it comes to summer, bro, every day we there.
Bro, the last time I'm going to some river.
Don't get them mic, bro. You might hear.
The last time I'm going to a river, some picnic look like that, look girl come save me. You see what time again?
Yo, for the people in the night chat and put it about here, the dog said the last time he went swimming is the like 2-3 year olds came and saved him. And he was 6'3"? 6'3"? Can you imagine that a blood clot for the side? But let me make the people them get to know what you're doing and where you're going. Let me get a little more comfortable. People, that book in our building. Yo, tell the people them. No, let me tell them. Bad fashion designer people. You see the dog and take him simple, see the dog work. So, that's why I said next week he's going to be here to show his work. But, you know, he's going to tell you a little bit about what he do and what he can do. And all these things, and then next week he's going to have to show it off live. He say he plan to do a live process for the show. So next week's show, I'm going to be a creative show. I'm going to say, all the scissors and cloth and thing, and dog are going to just show the talent. So, many people know where the dog came from and where the talent start from and where you get a love for fashion and things like that. Talk up the man. You have to get your prep for next week, you know, because next week I'm going to be there to the dog.
Next week you attack, man. We are working attack.
You say you work your attack?
Alright,
so people know the dog came from that, you showed up the town and things like that. Outside with you know.
You know, look a small town, all of in the same town, you know, Rochester, you know.
Rosa. Yo, good. Dog, you put the camera, yo, dog. Yo, I just say start the dog, people, man, know, you know, dog. So this little shy thing when the girl, them want come for them shots and battery rider. And that, them want come for a bit of a lock. So lazy, I tell you, a beer, pum shots and thing the dog making it, so. This scary face we have them things upon lock, so we're gonna have a couple next week and start the sailing process, you know.
So like rodeo allows some sexy
I'm if you tell you dog, the rodeo show we are going to set up the dog to make some whole heap of clothes for the ladies.
I rode out the 4-wheeler them man.
Yeah, tell you, but you see next week ladies, like we said, we are gonna have some couple pieces for show, you know? And we are gonna give away one and we're gonna have 2 for sale. You see that can go on. Give away one and we have 2 for sale, but it all depends on what size we have. We're gonna do that. So no offense to anybody, we're gonna try it. Make everybody feel good, but you know, the dog bad. So if you want to see how it works, Fresh Designs on Instagram, and you can take a little glimpse on that and peek to see what forward next week. You see me I say?
But as far as that go, like I said, him say I'm going to talk more next week, so him just there to see what I'm going and see the ground run, you see. But I'm not there too tired too long in the night, you know. Ricky, you have nothing to tell the woman them in the night? You have nothing to tell the woman them? And when you get in trouble, nobody say if you look woman, if you tell them, you can't tell them to start being more often or something, let them out with a positive message, my boy. Alright, let's tell the man them something since that you want to.
Yeah, but the boy, bro.
Come here, tell the woman them something, you come look for him, boy, you're not getting in trouble. Ladies, 2026, I know say this summer all I want to plan for outside with your legs up my wide, but here I go on. It's hot.
No, tell them say life is short. There's no food after that.
So you give your pussy now. Well, me second emotion there, but here I go on. When you can't open up the shop them so often every week. Is this if you open it this week for one man, take a week break and you open it for next and you can't just open it this week for one man and then you never breeze it.
So you think the man make them money?
You need a break in everything, bro. Too much of one thing is good. And when you say you don't give time for breeze, a youth go sneeze pan.
Remember I said that make out of foot bottom material, but can't done it.
It's a pussy make out of foot bottom material?
That can't done, bro.
Hey, you are kind of tough pussy, you fuck.
That can't done, bro.
I believe we are going no further than these people. Like we say, catch 3 next Friday. Because, like we say, we have a little mini fashion show go on with the dog books in the building, so. Ricky are there, same way. We have some females in the building and do some muggling and things. So, like I say, we're not there too long because we are Club Jamaica to go beat up in the night. So, everybody in our chat right now, we're tuning with it. We appreciate you. And we love that. And as far as the vibes go, if you like it, subscribe. Producer, take me out because next week we're going to be that vibes, you know. Well, I'm going to play back my song, you know. I'm going to play back my song to blow home. Because that song you like this summer. Because we are talking about the ladies, them, if we keep themselves together. And that we are going to close off with. That we are going to close off with. That we are going to close off with. See, they know. It's your boy Galaxy. You don't know this is episode of Vibes Friday. Do remember if you like the vibe, subscribe. Follow us so you know. When you say follow us on Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all of the above, right? What them say? Where are my ganja smokers at? You know you got that pack, sour diesel honey. Light that shit, smoke that shit. Yeah! Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Catch us next week.
on belly. Anytime when I'm ready. You're my day upon the telly, send the food and I'm a zelly, yo, the dialect steady.
Speed off, Jesus. Wet tees, I'm a baby. Got some sharp like guillotine.